Good evening, everyone. I am very much honored to receive the award as Best TV Male Reporter of the Year from LNU BE community. I personally offer this award to my very supportive family, my daughter Shaira, to my ABS-CBN family, friends, and co-workers in the media industry. To receive this award has been an inspiration to continue to pursue my mission. This recognition wouldn't have been possible without the inspiration I have received from my seniors and my colleagues, for whom I have been the deepest respect and from whom I have derived the strength to challenge myself and to perform with excellence. Thank you so much, LNU community, through Ms. Eva Lapasan Darusal, and special thanks also to my mentors and professors, Rita Agner, Rian Arinto, Manu Jun, Dr. Cleofe Luwangco Lahara, Dr. Marieta Arinto, and most especially to the University President, Dr. Evelyn Aguirre. Haloyo iton awon mga ginagian nga mga ayat, nagpapabilin iton yung pagtapod, nga niton iyo paghigugma. Damo nga salamat. To God be all the glory. Padayon, I remain Ranulfo Dukdukan.